Yes, I do.
You're open till 8 o'clock today?
I'm sorry?
What time are you open till today?
I'm open until 7:30.
Okay. Do you have a shop or are you like a local guy?
No, I got a shop.
Okay. I have 2,000 F-250 and I'm wanting to get some things done. I got
So we at the shop, we got this box going. Orderly.
Early, please. Early.
You ain't got your Modelo?
No Modelo right now. It's too early.
Oh, it's too early?
As a matter of fact, I got them in the fridge right now.
Hey, in the refrigerator? In the shop?
In the fridge already,
Yeah?
It's getting cold.
If you'd have drunk two of them, you probably had it. If you'd have drunk two of them, you probably had this motherfucker knocked out about 12 minutes.
Even though I like my Modelo's hot. Hot Modelo's.
Hot Modelo's. She gonna have your, oh yeah, your ass used to it. Your body used to it. Hot Modelo's. Man, he coming out of Plano? Shit. I hate when people say they want to get in and get out.
Huh?
I hate when people call and say they would like to get it in and get it out. Well, man, I mean, it don't always happen that way.
Hello? Hello?
So this box is going into a Lexus LS430. At the Mesquite shop, we are pretty busy. As you can see, a lot going on. Stuff inside.
As you can see, I got some fucked up ass critters. I wouldn't stole this. I can do one, but I will make it sign a paper saying that I'm not responsible.
So y'all see we got with Vic is still on the phone. He put that other door back on. Israel was on the last door. Box getting made, so we're gonna take us a taco break and Modelo break. And then in the second video, the box gonna be in, everything good to go. We're gonna check y'all. You wanna tell them something good, dog? Alright. You concentrating right now?
No comment.
Oh, no comment? Alright. He said no comment.
After I'm done, you talk.
Alright, he said no comment, so so you still waiting at the box, so second video gonna have box made, tacos eaten, Modelo's drunk, and yeah, Modelo's drunk and car done. So we're gonna catch y'all in the part 2 of the Lexus LS 430 build. Orderly.